funeral potatoes, a recipe you will die for. Stay tuned. Today we are going to be making funeral potatoes, which taste so amazing, especially when you're up camping. So hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and if we haven't met yet, our channel is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So I'm so excited to show you this fun, easy Dutch oven recipe. You know, it really is the ultimate in comfort foods. One of the reasons this dish got its name is because it's a favorite for people to take to funerals. You know, this dish is warm, comforting, and it feeds a lot of people. So today I'm going to be using the Dutch oven liners, and I love to use these. You can pick up a 10-pack on Amazon for almost nothing. The reason these are so good is you can make your recipes and the cleanup is a snap. You don't have to clean out your Dutch oven. So this is my go-to when I do Dutch oven recipes. So this is what we're going to use to make the funeral potatoes. So you'll need some shredded cheese, hash browns, butter, a little bit of garlic salt, the big can of cream of chicken soup, an onion, sour cream, salt and pepper, and then some cornflakes. You can also substitute the cornflakes with crushed potato chips. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray the liner. We'll start out with 2 cups of cheddar cheese. That was perfect. I've got 6 tablespoons of butter, and it's softened just here in the sun, so that's gonna make it easier to mix. We've got the full can, 10 ounces of cream of chicken soup. Oh, we want 2 cups of sour cream. It calls for a half of a cup of onion, but I tend to go a little bit overboard because I really like onion. We're going to do some salt and pepper. We're going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Then we'll get this mixed up real good. Ooh, the creamy deliciousness. You know, I make this so many times I can almost do it in my sleep. Okay, now we're gonna add in, you want to use the whole package of hash brown potatoes. You can use the cubed or the shredded, either way. The cube's just gonna take a tiny bit longer. We haven't even started cooking it and it looks amazing. So now we're going to take our cornflakes and just kind of squish them up. Okay, now we're going to smooth it out and put the cornflakes on top. And I have used crushed potato chips, and that works out pretty good too. I think my favorite is the topping. It tastes so yummy. Now, we're going to take 4 more tablespoons of butter, melted butter. This is just kind of melted in the sun, and put that over our cornflakes. There you have it. Okay, so we're going to want to cook this at 350 degrees in our Dutch oven. So that is going to mean we want to take 24 coals and get them all hot and ready. We're going to put 16 coals on the top and then 8 coals on the bottom, and that seems to work out to be about 350. And then we're going to let it bake for 45 minutes. So over to the coals. look at that ooey gooey cheesy yumminess. So if you're looking for a fun, easy Dutch oven recipe, you can't go wrong with this. You know, maybe you haven't tried Dutch oven recipes before. Well, because this is so easy, you can't mess it up. And I bet you won't have any leftovers. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. Oh, and take a look at our new Facebook group, Adventures Campfire Connection. And I'll see you on the next adventure.